Welcome. Today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first the first way, just go to the settings and here tap to the sound section, and right there you can see the ring and notification volume. Just to set up the volume, swipe with your finger these blue dots to the right side. And also I'll show you the second way. Just tap here on the right side to your one from your volume buttons, and now go just to the settings icon, and here by the same way just swipe this dot to the right side with your finger and tap to done to save all the changes. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.